Now we see the last theorem of the lesson, theorem of areas of similar triangles. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. Now the theorem is, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of those two triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. This is the theorem. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of those two triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So in this theorem, what is given? Two triangles are similar. It is given. So given statement is two triangles are similar. So here we have to draw two triangles which are similar. So suppose this is one triangle. Suppose it is A, B, C, and this is another triangle. This is triangle P, Q, R. These two triangles are similar. So given statement is triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. What we have to prove? To prove is area of the ratio of their areas. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, it is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So it is equal to AB square upon PQ square or BC square upon QR square, AC square upon PR square. This we have to prove. Now here, if area is given, so if we consider area, so the area, we know that the area of the triangle is half into base into height. So here for the height we have to draw perpendicular. We have to draw this AD perpendicular BC and PS perpendicular QR. So this is the construction. Draw AD perpendicular BC and PS perpendicular QR. Now proof. Now here it is given that triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. So we know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion and their corresponding angles are congruent. And therefore here triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, it is given to us, and therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, it is equal to AC upon PR. Suppose this is statement number 1 and the reason is corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now similarly their corresponding angles are congruent, and therefore angle B congruent angle Q. This is statement number 2. The reason is corresponding angles of similar triangles. Now here in these two triangles, now we get here this angle B congruent angle Q. This statement we got here. Now in these two triangles, now we have to consider these two triangles, triangle ADB or triangle ABD and triangle PQS. In these two triangles, in triangle ABD and triangle PQS. Now in these two triangle ABD and triangle PQR, here we got this statement angle B congruent angle Q. So this is from 2, and angle ADB congruent angle PSQ, both 90 degree. This statement we get from statement number 2, and these two angles are 90 degree and therefore they are congruent. So therefore this triangle ABD similar triangle PQS by AA test. So in triangle ABD and triangle PQS, angle B congruent angle Q. This is from 2, and angle ADB congruent angle PSQ, both 90 degree, and therefore triangle ABD similar triangle PSQ by AA test, and therefore AB upon triangle ABD and PQS. So here PQS. So AB upon PQ, it is equal to BD upon QS, it is equal to AD upon PS. This is statement number 3. Now here if we compare statement number 1 and 3, in statement number 1 we have AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, and again here AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS is equal to AD upon PS, and therefore here we have AB upon PQ, it is equal to BC upon QR, it is equal to AD upon PS. This is 4 from 1 and 3. Now we know that area of two triangles, the ratio of area of two triangles with different base and different height. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, it is equal to, here base is BC, height is AD. So BC into AD, and it is QR into PS. And therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, it is equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS. Now in the fourth statement we get all these ratios are equal. Here AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PS, and therefore here we write, and therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, it is equal to BC upon QR into again BC upon QR, because these are equal ratios. So from 4, and therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, it is equal to BC square upon QR square. So if two triangles are similar, and therefore the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So similarly we can prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, it is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. So for BC square upon QR square, we draw perpendicular to BC. If we draw perpendicular from this vertex B to AC, then this is the base and height. Here also PR is a base and height. So we get AC square upon PR square. If we draw perpendicular to this side BC from to this side AB from C, so this is the base. Here also if we draw perpendicular from R to PQ, then PQ is a base. And then we get AB square upon PQ square. So by drawing this perpendicular to different sides, we get these ratios.